Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So as requested, today we're going to be taking a look at some medium length haircut ideas. So if you have been wanting to cut your hair or shape up your hair without going too short, this video is for you. We will be checking out a variety of lob haircuts, layered hairstyles, bobs, and more. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful shaggy cut. And then we see another layered style followed by another shaggy haircut and a beautiful bob. Layered hair, as you guys know, is the perfect way to shape up mid-length strands without cutting your hair too much. It will also give you plenty of volume and shape overall and create some gorgeous texture. You can also mix in curtain bangs in the front to really just add some more shape and appeal. And you can do this really with a bob haircut or a longer style. It really just depends on the type of look that you are trying to achieve. So here we see a shaggy haircut and hair color transformation. Most shaggy styles can either be achieved with bangs, blunt bangs in the front, or with curtain bangs. So the stylist cut the hair and is now adding in some color. Absolutely gorgeous shape and texture overall. So this client is also going to be getting curtain bangs as well. Absolutely stunning. Such a chic and fun hairstyle. Oh wow, so we see a beautiful layered haircut with a pop of purple on the side. Another great way to shake up your everyday strands and do something a little outside of the box. So if you want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.